In today's bustling world, convenience is not just a luxury but a necessity. Whether you're planning a day at the beach, attending an outdoor festival, or simply going for a picnic in the park, carrying all your essentials can become a strenuous task. Enter the best collapsible foldable wagon, a game-changer in portable transportation solutions. Designed to amalgamate durability with flexibility, these wagons are not just about transporting items, they symbolize a smarter, hassle-free way of life. They fold up neatly for storage in the tightest of spaces and expand effortlessly to accommodate a myriad of items, making every outing a breeze. If you've been wondering about the utility of a folding wagon, you have come to the right place. We have listed the best foldable wagons for you to choose from. We also give you a few tips on picking the right folding wagon. Number 1. MacSports Collapsible Folding Utility Wagon. The MacSports Collapsible Folding Outdoor Utility Wagon is designed to make your life easier when it comes to transporting heavy loads. The first thing that caught my eye was the exceptional build quality of this wagon. Made from durable plastic, it feels robust and capable of handling the toughest tasks. The black color gives it a stylish and modern look, which is a bonus. This wagon is a breeze to set up, with no assembly required. Its large capacity surprised me. It can carry up to 150 pounds of gear effortlessly. The 600D fabric is not only tough but also easy to clean, making it perfect for outdoor use. Plus, it's UV and mildew resistant, ensuring longevity. The adjustable handle is a game changer. It allows for effortless transport, even when the wagon is loaded to its maximum capacity. The two mesh cup holders on the wagon's front are a thoughtful addition, keeping your beverages secure and easily accessible. No more spilled drinks during your outdoor escapades. When not in use, this wagon folds down to a mere 8 inches thick, making it incredibly easy to store. It even comes with a carry case for added convenience. I love how it takes up minimal space in my garage when I'm not out and about. Pros: sturdy build, easy setup, compact storage, easy to clean, adjustable handle. Cons: not for children. Number 2. VIVOSUN Collapsible Folding Wagon. When it comes to outdoor activities like camping, gardening, or simply hauling heavy loads, having the right equipment can make all the difference. Enter the VIVOSUN Heavy-Duty Collapsible Folding Wagon. This versatile utility cart is designed to be your trusty companion in various outdoor scenarios. In this review, I'll delve into its purpose, key features, design, quality, functionality, and why it stands out among similar products. The first thing that struck me about the VIVOSUN Collapsible Wagon is its robust design. It's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, thanks to its heavy-duty metal frame. The wagon's dimensions when unfolded are 36.22 inches by 21.65 inches by 14.96 inches, which provides ample space for your gear. When folded, it shrinks down to a compact 11.42 inches by 9.06 inches by 24.41 inches, making storage a breeze. But it's not just about being tough. This wagon combines durability with user-friendliness. The 600D Oxford fabric and PVC materials used in its construction are not only durable but also waterproof. So, you won't have to worry about your cargo getting wet if you encounter unexpected rain during your outdoor adventures. Plus, the materials won't tear easily, even if you load sharp or pointy objects. Pros: high carrying capacity, durable and waterproof material, adjustable handle, easy to fold and store. Cons: heavy-duty build. Number 3. Navatiee Collapsible Folding Wagon S1. The Navatiee Collapsible Folding Wagon S1 is designed to make your life easier. It's built to handle a wide range of tasks, from transporting heavy groceries to assisting in outdoor activities like gardening, concerts, and sporting events. The first thing that impressed me about the Navatiee S1 is its robust design. This wagon is no flimsy pushover. It's constructed with heavy-duty alloy steel, ensuring it can withstand the test of time. The antioxidation and corrosion-resistant metal frame mean you can confidently use it outdoors without worrying about rust or fading. What sets this wagon apart is its double bearing design. This not only increases its load capacity but also enhances safety during use. The wagon rolls smoothly over various terrains, including mud, grass, bumps, and curbs. The premium PVC wheels are wear-resistant and provide excellent shock absorption, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride. No more annoying drag marks. Pros: large carrying capacity, durable and rust-resistant frame, quick and easy folding mechanism, handy side pockets, suitable for a variety of terrains. Cons: might be larger. Number 4. Hikenture Collapsible Wagon. The Hikenture wagon is all about making life simpler when you've got a lot to carry. With a whopping 200 L capacity and the promise of heavy-duty portability, it's designed for those of us who've thought, "I wish I had an extra pair of hands." Constructed from alloy steel and finished in a sleek black, it screams durability. The thick Oxford fabric lining, which is also removable, not only holds up well against wear and tear but is super easy to clean. And did I mention there's a bonus cover included? Keeps dust and moisture out like a charm. For something that can carry up to 220 pounds, the fact that it can fold down to roughly 9 inches by 11.4 inches by 24.4 inches is mind-blowing. Talk about space efficiency, this isn't just another wagon, it's built with purpose. The large, all-terrain wheels ensure a smooth glide, and the 360-degree front wheels combined with the flexible telescoping handle make maneuvering a breeze. The fact that it's deeper and larger in capacity than most wagons in the market makes it a standout. Just think of all those beach days and camping trips where this wagon will be a lifesaver. Pros: massive capacity of 200L, sturdy construction from alloy steel, super compact when folded, all-terrain wheels for easy transport. Cons: slightly on the heavier side. Number 5. Timber Ridge Collapsible Wagon Cart. The Timber Ridge Collapsible Wagon Cart isn't just another wagon. It's a testament to thoughtful design, durability, and sheer utility. While it might be a bit large for some, for those in need of a heavy-duty, versatile wagon, this is a prime pick. For starters, the alloy steel construction screams durability. Wrapped in a sophisticated gray, the wagon doesn't just work hard, it looks good doing it. There's a sense of stability and resilience that gives peace of mind. Beyond the steel frame, the design thoughtfully incorporates practical features, like a side pocket and cup holders. It's those little touches that show Timber Ridge really understands what users need, with the ability to support up to 225 pounds and an internal size of 35.5 inch L x 18.5 W x 12 H. This wagon isn't playing around. Imagine all the stuff you can transport with such space. That extra side pocket and the 2 cup holders are just what you need to keep things organized. No fuss, no hassle. With no assembly required, you'll be up and running in seconds. Plus, its compact design ensures it doesn't eat up your storage space. The 360 degrees rotating wheels combined with the adjustable handle make it incredibly easy to maneuver. No more wrestling with your cart trying to get it to go where you want. While there are many wagons out there, Timber Ridge stands out with its alloy steel frame and extra storage. Many competitors skimp on these areas, leading to reduced longevity and utility. Pros: strong and durable alloy steel frame, ample storage with added features, user-friendly and easy to maneuver, 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Cons: more compact.